everyone, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. I've been doing quite a few of these lately because I've actually been teleworking a lot, so I haven't been meal prepping as much lately. So one thing you may notice if you watch my What I Eat in a Day, especially when I telework, is I love eggs and avocado toast. And I was actually watching a post on, I think it was on Instagram, and it was from a nutritionist who was saying, find out what your staple foods are, the foods that you really love, and then try to do different things with those foods. So that's basically what I've been doing. My eggs, I have different kind of eggs every day. My toast, I guess, is basically the same, although I have made my own sourdough bread, so I have been since using that. This was not homemade. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I have been on a weight loss journey, or a health journey, I guess you could say. And I've recently made some changes, and I'm trying to just eat more intuitively and not necessarily count points and calories. So this is my breakfast. I decided today to make an omelet. So typically with my eggs, I do like to have just regular spinach, but all I had today was spring mix and spinach. So I have that. I just always like to have some kind of vegetable with it. And then I also have some feta on there and also some salsa. Salsa on eggs is so good. And then I have, of course, my avocado toast that I've topped with everything bagel seasoning. And then I have some kiwi and banana there as well. Okay, look at the time here. It is now 11:30 and I'm just having some coffee. I don't know, lately I've been like that. By the time when I get up in the morning and I drink my water, and then a lot of times because I've been listening to my stomach, I'm hungry, so then I eat breakfast, and then it's just sometimes a little bit later before I have coffee, so that's okay. So this is all I'll be having, is the 1 cup, and today I just have Splenda in there, and I also have some of this half and half in there as well. And that is it for my coffee. And look at this little cup I got at Dollar General. Yes, Dollar General, had to think for a minute. I got that, and then I also got this one. And on the other side, I thought that was perfect for just everything that I'm going through right now. So I'm going to sit and enjoy my coffee, and then I don't even know what I'm going to have for lunch yet today. It's lunchtime, and here's my big salad. I always talk about big salads. I just love salads. I love just making them so colorful and filling them with so many things. So this is my lunch. It is 2:15 right now, and I did munch on some fruit earlier. I was just a little bit hungry and had just a bite of peanut butter. Did not weigh it, did not measure it, took a spoon and took a bite of peanut butter. So now I'm having my lunch, and in here I have some spring mix and spinach, and I also put on some coleslaw. I have some carrots, cucumbers, the rest of the avocado that I had with breakfast this morning. I used the other half. And then I have here some green olives, which I was taking the green olives out of the jar and found myself counting them out. I'm just in that habit. So I got to like 7 and I said, stop it. So green olives, I have onion, some feta cheese, and I think that's it. Oh, some red onion. I think I said red onion. And I think that's it. And then for salad dressing, I'm just using this balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. I was using red wine vinegar, but I've been using balsamic vinegar lately, and I really love that. And then I also have a Good Culture cottage cheese with some of that fruit. So this is the Good Culture cottage cheese, and this is one that I kind of go back and forth between the low fat and full fat. So for the most part, I've gone back to full fat, almost full fat everything, and except this cottage cheese, I think I like the flavor of the low fat better. So I kind of go back and forth depending on what they have available at the store. So this is what I had left from my lunch. This is the part where it's a little bit different because I was always told that if it's a salad or vegetables, you eat it all no matter how you feel. So this is new to me, just kind of listening to my body. So I also have some leftover cottage cheese and fruit there. So I am just going to cover this, put it in the fridge, and then I'll eat it later. You'll see coming up the salad I end up eating with my dinner. But I did end up snacking on that cottage cheese later in the afternoon, and I didn't end up showing it in this video. So just something I'm really learning to just sit down, don't do anything else, stay off my phone, stay off my laptop, and really try to listen to my body while I'm eating. So now it's dinner time, and this is, like I said, I had the leftover salad from my lunch. I actually was snacking on that while I was cooking dinner. So I ended up making some air fried flounder and some French fries. For the air fried flounder, you can use any kind of fish and just do it in the air fryer. What I usually do is just put some pepper in some flour, and then I take the fish and just put it in the flour, then put it in an egg wash. I usually use like egg, garlic powder, and water in for the egg wash. And then for the breading, I usually use a mixture of like Italian breadcrumbs and then panko. So I usually do half and half of each. And then also I put in some fresh grated Parmesan in there as well. And then I just stick them in my air fryer. I spray them with some cooking spray. This picture here is after I've flipped them. So I usually flip them halfway. I cook them on 400 degrees and I cook them for a total of about 10 minutes, flipping them halfway. The total time really depends on the thickness of your fish. And also, I didn't make it this time, but sometimes I just throw together a quick homemade tartar sauce. I just use some mayonnaise, a little bit of sweet relish, and then a squirt of lemon juice. For our French fries tonight, normally I tend to make my own French fries. I like to just take some potatoes, chop them up, mix in some olive oil, some everything bagel seasoning, and put them in the air fryer, make my own. For tonight though, I was taking a shortcut and using these amazing French fries. These are the best fries. They cook so well in the air fryer. They're called Lamb Weston hand-cut fries, and I get them at either Walmart or Publix. So that's my dinner for tonight. And as far as ketchup or anything on my fries, I didn't end up using that. I am one who actually likes to dip my fries in mayonnaise. My sister-in-law actually got me hooked on that about 25 years ago. So let me know in the comments if you like mayonnaise on your French fries. Okay, so here's something different that I would have never thought to put together. This is apples with some peanut butter and some whole fat Greek yogurt, just the plain kind, and I sprinkled some cinnamon over the top of it also. This is called a hunger crushing combo. I got this from Abby's Kitchen and it's actually pretty good. I had it the other day and really wanted to have it again. So I'm one who really doesn't like Greek yogurt by itself. So what I usually do is I end up kind of mixing up the peanut butter and the yogurt. So I have peeled my apples just because apple skins are kind of hard on me, but if you are able to eat the skins, then by all means, leave the skins on. So this is going to be my snack that is really going to satiate me. So I will link the website to Abby's Kitchen down below. She has a lot of different ideas that are called hunger crushing combos that just puts a combination of things together that will satiate you. And that is going to end it for my day of eating today. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love for you to be part of our family. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.